What's up, YouTube? It's Friday. Let's get it. So I'm going to talk about, whoa, hope I'm not too loud. I'm just getting a little too excited. But I hope that I get this topic out because a lot of people always message me. They always private message me and they always say, hey, what is it that I can learn to be really successful at trading Forex? I don't know, right? Everyone has their first off, everyone has their own way of thinking towards the markets. Everyone has their own way of looking and analyzing the charts themselves. I could say, hey, maybe you should try scalping because that's what I did 3 years ago. Or hey, now I'm in naked Forex. Maybe you should learn naked Forex. Because that's what I'm doing right now. So 3 years ago, I was all about scalping. I was using indicators, right? I was using the RSI. I was using the MACD. I was using the 10-day simple moving average. But all those are default settings, and I was based on the 1-minute chart up to the 15-minute chart for scalping back then, 3 years ago. Now I'm more, 90% of what I'm doing is swinging, long-term trading, stacking on trends, and based on price action with candlesticks back to naked Forex. So that's my shift. So a lot of people always message me, what's the best strategy that I could do as a beginner? Obviously, there's no set strategy, right? Everyone's always looking for the secret sauce of success. Is there a secret sauce to success in anything? No, there isn't. Because if you don't put in the consistency of working every single day towards your own success, you're not going to get there. No one's going to hand you down success. No one's going to hand deliver you success. I'm telling you right now, looking at the camera, guys. So that's the most important thing. You can't get success from anybody else. No one's going to give you that. And everybody can give you their thoughts, their opinions, their advice, but that doesn't make you successful with it in whatever it is that you're doing. But if Forex is what you want to do, you're going to have to stare at the screen most of the time. You have, like for me, I stare at the screen 8 to 12 hours a day. There are times I stare at the screen all freaking night just to get something, just to understand it for myself where I was going. So if that is not something that you want to do, you got to find something else, right? Forex is not for everybody. And I want to make this clear because some people think that they see all this money, they see a lot of hype going on. I'll just be honest right now, there's a lot of hype in Forex trading. I'll be honest right now. There's a lot of hype going on. There's a lot of social media involved in Forex now and in any type of trading now too. Day trading, become a day trader, right? All these ads and people are always looking for a way to invest and make money, right? Make another side hustle or part-time income on top of their job. So it's always great to look into the opportunities, but you got to do your research and you got to look into what you want to do. And if Forex trading is what you want to do, you got to stare at the screen. There's no way around it. That's the easiest way I can say it. There's no way around it. You have to stare at the screen if you really want to be successful. I have not met a trader that says, oh, I don't look at the screen at all. I just click buy and sell and I make money that way. There's no way. How could you not know? How could you seriously understand that just by you buying and selling, and without looking at the price, right? Or looking at the trend structure or looking at candlesticks or looking at indicators or wherever it is that you like to look at, how is it that you're making money by just having a simple touch of just clicking buttons all day? It's not going to happen. And so your approach is very important because you approach the markets on a different way, on a different level, and a different thinking. And my way is totally different the way you do it. And you have to really dive down and define your discipline and your mindset towards trading first before you even decide to go into the analysis part of technical analysis and fundamentals, because that's another thing that you have to learn on top of that. So that's a required skill set. And some people don't have the patience, right, to learn. Some people just want to make money without learning. It's not going to happen. You can learn it the hard way if that's what you want to do. To be honest, I learned the hard way too from trading Forex. So if that's what you want to do, you want to learn it the hard way, then by all means. I don't want nobody to repeat the same mistakes that I've done 3 years ago. Yes, I'm all about high risk aggressive trading. I'm all about flipping accounts. I'm all about showcasing, making a bunch of money. But it's not, like I said, it's not an everyday thing. Not every day is a flipping day. Not every day is a day where you can make the lottery money, right? Lotto money. Or, now it's not like you can go all in all the time playing poker and you can win going all in all the time. You're gonna get hit. And so, like I said, you just gotta choose your battles. I mean, when it comes into the markets, you gotta know when to pick your battles of going in and going out, right? When you want to enter, when you want to exit. And so that's all going back to the psychology and the biggest the factor of your mentality towards in forex trading. And so I just want to make this clear because some people are saying, well, hey, I heard there was a set strategy that you was scalping, you was making a lot of money. Do you mind telling me about it? I made a lot of scalping videos on YouTube. Some people don't even take the time to go through my channel and look at all the videos that I put out there. I put a lot of freaking content out there, and it's really knowledgeable if you take the time to watch it and learn for yourself. Some people just want the easy way. There is no easy way. Like I said, if everything was easy, wouldn't you think everybody be doing it? Not everybody's gonna do forex because forex isn't for everybody. Not everybody's gonna trade stocks because stocks isn't for everybody. Not everybody's gonna invest in crypto because it's not for everybody. Right? Only a few see an opportunity and they take the opportunity to a whole new level because they have the skill sets behind the opportunity and they have the mindset and the patience and the discipline to be there. I'll tell you right now. So there's so much more than just, like I said, there's so much more to life than just forex trade. But some people just want to eat, sleep, forex, right? Eat, sleep, forex, repeat, right? You can do that. That's what you want to do. That's the lifestyle you want to create. Me, I can't do that anymore, right? I'm a family man, right? I got 3 daughters, married. So, family is important. On top of, like I said, doing this as a career. So you gotta, like we said, gotta know your finances. You gotta have the discipline. You ain't got no discipline in investing money. You shouldn't even be investing at all. I'll just be flat out honest on that. Because if you've been losing that kind of money for a certain amount of years, you should really dive back down and look at why you're losing so much money. Some people don't backtrack why they're losing so much money. It doesn't take much steps to look at a simple budget sheet or accounting sheet of how much you have invested and how much you have lost. And you can go back and look at your history of trading or investing and say, you know what, I lost money because of myself. That's it, right? You owe you an apology. That's what Eric Thomas says. I watch Eric Thomas every day, man. He's the man. So, and I'll be honest, like you said, there is no set strategy or success strategy in trading forex or any type of trading, right? Everybody's looking for this secret sauce of winning, this 100% winning strategy, or the so-called indicator that is supposed to tell them what to buy and sell because it's 100% proof or 100% accurate. I don't believe in that, And say, if you want to be my customer, I'll tell you flat out that, if you don't have the discipline and you don't understand the disclaimer in terms that I'm putting out there, and because signals I'll be honest right now, signals, you have to really understand what the forex signal is coming at you for. And you have to understand that not every signal is going to make money. It's the easiest way I can say it. But some people hop in and they think that they're going to make $1 million or thousands of dollars off one trade. That's already a bad mind. That's already bad thinking from the beginning because you're thinking that you're going to be so rich off of one position and you don't. So I used to think like that when I was trading forex in the first 3 months. First 3 months of trading forex with iMarkets Live. I'll be honest right now. I was all about, let me hit it big one time. Let me hit it big. I did hit it big. I got lucky on a few trades, and then I got really lucky on getting that account from $350 to $26,000 in 11 days of trading. That's just crazy, right? But that was my success story. But also at the same time, it was a learning lesson to understand for myself that you can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot in one day, and that greed kills you. The hunger of greed will kill you all the time. You want to make more and more and more, you're just going to lose more money, right? Because you don't know when to stay content with the amount of money that you have. That's another lifestyle approach too. So finance is a whole different subject. I don't talk about finances. Like I said, I did talk a little bit about, taxes, doing taxes in the Forex, but other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'll cut this video short. Hope you guys having a great Friday, great weekend, and stay tuned for next videos. And that's it, guys. Peace.